12-piece survival kit right here. This one is perfect for anyone that wants to explore the wilderness and be prepared. This case is solid. You have your latch here. You have 2 latches in the front and 1 latch on the side. You got 12 pieces in here, and there are a lot of fun things. Make sure you learn how everything works before you go out there and use it. For example, you have your fish bait right here. You have a fire starter over here. You also got a compass bracelet with a sharp edge inside. You have so many cool things. A bottle holder right here. You have a flashlight so that you can see. You also got a multi-tool kit inside here. That's stainless steel. It's very sharp, so be careful. You also got your saw wire. You have your spork that opens up as a blade beneath here, so pretty cool, but be careful because again it's pretty sharp. You also got your tactical pen. Yes, it is in fact a pen that you can write with, but it's also got the glass breaker at the end. And my favorite is you got your knife right here. And of course you got the case too, right? This knife right here allows you to be able to be self-sufficient. Boom, here's a knife. It locks in place and it is sturdy right here. So this is your sturdy knife. To unlock it, push this little clip right there and this thing will close in like so. Boom, there we go. This is your 12-piece tactical survival kit. We also got the emergency thermal blanket right here. This one is a full blanket that will keep you warm. So there we go, a lot of pieces, 12-piece survival toolkit right here. Oh yeah.